Here's a little knife that's quite plainly hell for stout. It's called the Bulldog. I'll tell you a little bit about it. The Bulldog is a smaller version of a Tonto knife that we make, and when I say Tonto knife, you'll see that there is a Americanized Tonto. It's taken from an original Japanese design, but we changed it up to make it more applicable to the uses that we put our knives through. You can see as I hold it here and angle it, you can see the different facets that are ground on the blade, and you'll notice that it is a chisel grind, meaning it's only ground on one side, just like a chisel. And you know that you can put a razor sharp hair splitting edge on a chisel and cut all day long with it. So same thing with this knife. The knife features our wave feature on top, that little hook, that projection, so that when you pull it out of your pocket, it hooks on your pocket and comes out already opened. So again, that wave feature is something that allows you to have the fastest opening knife in the world. On all of the Emerson knives that have that wave feature on there, they beat any automatic, they beat any switchblade knife out of the pocket and open and ready to use. So in a high stress environment or emergency, that's a very, very important feature. You can also open it with that thumb disc that's on the top, that little round disc. So you can open it up like a regular knife. It has a see-through construction, so that if it gets dirty, you can wash it out, you can swish it out with a stick or whatever to prevent any kind of dirt or anything getting down inside there and interfering with the lock mechanism. It's got a clip on the back side so that you can carry it in your pocket, clipped in your pocket. And it's put together with these, you can see these are standoffs. They're screwed in from the top and from the bottom. We put 3 of those in the knife so that you get a good, rigid, very, very strong handle construction. We use a massive 250 diameter, that's 1/4 of an inch, pivot bolt on all our knives, so that you get extra strength in that pivot area, which is again a point of failure on many other knife models. The knife has a very ergonomic handle made with G10 material, which is a epoxy filled glass composite that will last in any environment. It's impervious to water, oil, gasoline, salt water, all of that good stuff. You'll notice that this handle has a very deep cutout right here. That's called the choil on a knife. And we've even gone deeper on the Emerson knives so that it acts as a stop or guard. This choil prevents you from slipping your finger forward up here onto the blade of the knife if you ever have to horse it into something where you're stabbing into something. The knife has a swell on the top and comes down into a nice gracious area down in here, so that when you hold it in any direction, it feels good and secure in the hand. And you'll notice that my thumb goes up on this wave feature, which doubles as a thumb ramp. It's got a area on there that's got, they call that jimping, so that it has grooves on it, so you can tell where that knife is. You got a good, strong, secure grip on it. You know where the edge is. If you're wearing gloves or your hands are cold, you can still feel that knife and know that it's not going to slip in your hands. This knife, just like a Bulldog, is short, squat, and hell for stout. The Emerson Bulldog. You can find a link to this knife in the description below. And you know, like all our stuff, it's designed for performance and built for extremes. Thanks for watching.